Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your domain name with Dynadot detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Dynadot website. Use the search bar to enter your desired domain name. Click the search button to check its availability. If the domain name is available, click on the cart icon to add it to your cart. You can choose to register the domain for a specific period, usually ranging from 1 to 10 years. Review your selections and then click on the checkout button. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by providing your email and setting a password. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once logged in, review your domain registration details. Here, you can add additional services like privacy protection or DNS management. Ensure that your contact information is accurate, as this will be used for WHOIS registration. Read through Dynadot's terms of service and privacy policy, then check the acceptance box. Proceed to the payment section, where you can select your preferred payment method. Enter your billing details as required. Once you've completed your payment information, review everything one last time. Click on the Complete Order button to finalize your domain registration. After completing your order, you will receive a confirmation email containing your order details. Log into your Dynadot account to manage your domain settings. From the dashboard, click on Manage next to your newly registered domain. Set up domain forwarding or other desired features as needed. Consider enabling automatic renewal to avoid losing your domain in the future. Regularly check your email for renewal reminders and account notifications. With these steps, your domain name is secured and under your control. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.